In this tutorial, I will show you how you can convert your PowerPoint presentation PPTX files into MP4 video. But before I proceed, if this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you won't miss my future videos. I assume you've completed the creation of your PowerPoint presentation just like this. So I will show you in just 6 steps how you can convert your PowerPoint presentation into MP4 video. By the way, to watch the video I make on this topic, click the link that pops up from the right hand corner of this tutorial. Step 1. Click on File. File, and click on Export. Click on Create Video. If you've set your timing, that is your animation and transition timing in your presentation, then leave it at Use Recorded Timing and Narrations, just as it is here right now. But if not, that is if you've not set any timing of your choice for your transition in the PowerPoint presentation, you can set it here. So you pick the time, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, anytime you want. But mind you, the times you set here will automatically affect or will be set automatically for the transition time for all your slides. So if you want to set time, if you want to use the time here, you will have to come here and change it to don't use recorded timing. So automatically it will use the timing you set down here for you. But for now, I will stick with this because there are timings that I set in the PowerPoint presentation that I want to use personally for myself. So then you click on Create Video. So when you click on Create Video, you will select or choose the destination for the video you want to export. So I will choose this folder, then click on Export. So then you wait for the exportation to be complete. See, this is it here. So you wait for it to be completed. It's now completed. So now you can go to your file, then try to open it, and you have your video. So this is how to convert your PowerPoint presentation, your PPTX file, into MP4 videos. So thanks for watching. If you want more videos on PowerPoint, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I uploaded new videos.